Hello friends, my name is Dr. Jagdish Shinde and I am a consultant oncologist working in Pune. Friends, in this series of breast cancer awareness program, this is the second video regarding cancer awareness, and in this video I am going to tell you regarding breast cancer surgery. So in cancer there are three types of treatment which are done. One is surgery, second is chemotherapy, and third is radiation therapy. So in regarding surgery, there are basically two types of surgeries which are done for breast cancer. Number one is breast conservation surgery and number two is mastectomy. So as name suggests, the breast conservation surgery, we preserve or we conserve the breast. In breast conservation surgery, what we do exactly is we remove the breast, and along with breast we remove 1 centimeter of the normal breast area, because the tumor might infiltrate inside the normal tissue. So we have to clear the margins and we remove tumor with clear margins in breast conservation surgery. Along with that, we also remove some axillary lymph nodes inside the armpit. So that is called as a breast conservation surgery. In case of mastectomy, we remove entire breast along with axillary lymph nodes. So this is the difference between two surgeries. In case of breast conservation surgery, we achieve better cosmetic results as we preserve the breast and it looks more cosmetically better. While in case of mastectomy, the whole breast is removed, so it might not look cosmetically in many cases. So cosmetic results are better with the breast conservation surgery. So which are the cases in which we opt for breast conservation surgery and which are the cases in which we opt for mastectomy? The patients who are in early stage breast cancers, like in which tumor size is very less, where there are less axillary lymph nodes involved and skin is not involved with the tumor. In these cases, we opt for breast conservation surgery. If patient opts for breast conservation surgery, then patient has to undergo radiation therapy after completing surgery or chemotherapy. The patients who opt for mastectomy, they might not need radiation therapy after completing surgery, but few patients who has some risk factors after we get the histopathology report after mastectomy, they might need radiation therapy after surgery. So all patients who opt for BCS will need radiation, but few patients after mastectomy they might not need radiation therapy. So that is the concept. So which patient should opt for breast conservation? So patients who have early stage disease, patient who are willing for breast conservation, and patient who are ready to take radiation therapy after completing surgery, they should go for breast conservation surgery. And patient who don't want radiation therapy after surgery and patient who are not willing for breast conservation, these patients should go mastectomy. So basically this is the difference. So the next question patient might have is that the outcome. So the outcome is outcome with mastectomy and breast conservation surgery is both, means probability of cure is similar with breast conservation surgery and mastectomy. So there is no need to worry for the patients, provided they take radiation therapy after breast conservation surgery. The results of breast conservation surgery and mastectomy are same. So there are few other terminologies in cancer surgeries, like sentinel node biopsy. Few of the patients who are advised breast cancer surgery, they might be advised regarding sentinel node biopsy. So what is sentinel node biopsy? The sentinel node biopsy means the patients who are early stage breast cancers and who don't have palpable axillary lymph nodes. In that cases, we can inject some dye and or some radioactive material inside the breast, and we see what are the pattern of flow to the lymph nodes, and we remove that initial lymph nodes and we test that lymph node during the surgery itself, and if that lymph nodes are negative for the metastasis, then there is no need of complete removal of the axillary lymph nodes. So we can save the axilla. And if there is a spread to the axillary lymph nodes, we need to further complete the surgery with axillary dissection. The benefit of doing sentinel node biopsy is that in some cases we can preserve axilla, and consequently we can decrease the side effect associated with side effect associated with the axillary dissection, that is lymphedema of the limb and swelling of the limb, that we can prevent. Second terminology in the breast cancer surgery is the breast reconstruction. So many times this happens that the tumor size is bigger and breast size is less, and patient wants to do a breast conservation surgery. So in that cases we need to do a reconstruction of the breast. So what is reconstruction of the breast? The reconstruction means we have to take tissue from some other part of the body, and we have to put that tissue inside the breast, so that we can reconstruct or prepare the breast tissue, so that it will look cosmetically better. So this is called as a reconstruction of the breast. There are different techniques for reconstruction of the breast that are beyond this video. So these are the things in the breast cancer surgery. So if you have any doubt regarding breast cancer surgery, you can consult me at my clinic in Pune, Pimpla Saudagar, or you can do a online consultation with me regarding breast cancer treatment, radiation, surgery or chemotherapy. I will give a consultation link in the description. Thank you very much.